Here's how to get the new emojis on your Android phone. Now, if you have an Android phone and you're not seeing all of the emojis and you want it to update to get to the latest version of all the emojis, there are several different steps you need to take. The first one is we're going to just swipe up and then tap on the Settings app on your Android phone. After you've done that, scroll down towards the bottom, tap on Software Update, and just hit check for updates. Now, this seems simple, but a lot of times the emojis are baked into the automatic update on your Android phone. So it's currently One UI 8.5. Just update your phone. But that's not the only thing you need to do. Most people use Gboard. So you also need to tap on the Google Play Store and then just tap on search. And we need to search for Gboard here and make sure that is updated as well. So right next to Gboard, if you see an update button, just tap on update. I've already updated this. Or if you're not getting those, you could always choose to uninstall it and then just turn around and install it again to make sure you get the latest version. Now let's make sure that Gboard is enabled and you're able to see all of those emojis. To do that, just swipe up and go back into your settings. From here, let's just tap the back button until we get to the beginning of your settings. And at the beginning of your settings, scroll down, tap on General Management, and then from here, just tap on Keyboard at the bottom. Now, you can see here's Google Type, but I want to turn on Gboard specifically and make sure that is enabled. But after I've done that, tap on Default Keyboard and switch this to Gboard. And now if I hop out of here and just open up the keyboard anywhere, you'll be able to see here is Gboard. I can tap on the emoji button and get all of the latest emojis. You can see I can swipe through all of these and get the latest version here in 2026. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, leave your feedback down below in the comments, or let me know if this basically missed the mark and you're still running into issues on your phone. Thanks, guys.